A no carb diet is a different version of low carb dieting. A no carb diet is a way of eating that eliminates digestible carbs as much as possible. A no carb diet resembles a ketogenic diet which limits your carb intake to fewer than 30 grams per day. Reducing your carb intake can help you to lose weight. Replacing carbs with protein or fat can help you feel more full. Eat fewer overall calories, which in turn promotes weight loss. It has been shown to significantly reduce hunger levels, which tend to lead automatic weight loss without need for calorie counting. No carbs intake has health benefits, reducing your blood sugar, blood pressure, reducing triglycerides, improving good HDL cholesterol. Let's take a look at some of these foods. 1. Eggs are among the healthiest and most nutritious foods on the planet. They are loaded with various nutrients, including important for your brain. It lasts 3 to 5 days and may aid short term weight loss. 2. Ground chuck is the juiciest and most flavorful of all the different types of ground beef. It contains 15% to 20% fat and is the perfect choice for burgers and casseroles. It has a lots of proteins and stimulates muscle growth and improves weight management and improves overall health. 3. Lamb is high in fat and low in carbs. A 3-ounce cut of cooked lamb delivers about 25 grams of protein plus good quantities of potassium and vitamin B12. It is also good source of iron, magnesium, selenium and omega-3 fatty acids. 4. Skinless chicken breast has a high protein. Chicken meat contains about 2 to 3 times as much as polyunsaturated fat. Chicken generally includes a low fat in the meat itself. The fat is highly concentrated on the skin. 5. Pork with its fat trim is cleaner than the meat of most domesticated animals but is high in cholesterol and saturated fat. Pork is very high in thiamine, vitamin B1. One of the protein in the meat, myoglobin, holds the oxygen in the muscle. 6. Jerky is lean trimmed meat that has been cut into strips and dried to prevent spoilage. A typical 30-gram portion of fresh jerky contains 10 to 15 gram of protein, 1 gram of fat and 0.3 gram of carbohydrates. Pairing it with some nuts or cheese is a great way to add fats when snacking on jerky. 7. Salmon rich in B vitamins, potassium and selenium. This fatty fish contains plenty of heart healthy fats. Salmon adds no carbs to your meal while bringing your nutrients you can not. 8. Steelhead trout is a fatty fish with a high fat content which makes it a perfect fish for keto friendly diet. Steelhead trout is a rich in lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids. There are 2 grams of saturated fat, 20 grams of protein and 120 calories in a 100-gram serving of steelhead trout. 9. Sardines fish are packed with nutrients that can be beneficial in the prevention of a number of health conditions. It has omega-3 fatty acids and it helps to prevent heart diseases due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Sardines are an excellent source of vitamin B12. This vitamin helps your cardiovascular system and gives you energy. 10. Scallops are naturally low carb and packed with protein. 3 ounces of steamed scallops pack contains 94 calories and 0 carbs. They can help you feel fuller longer and are rich in vitamins and minerals. They are also a great source of antioxidants.